Algae is one of the most common problems pool owners face, but with the right care, you can keep it at bay. At HTH, we offer a family of products to tackle all your pool's needs, including algae. Today, I'm with the McDonald family to explain why and how it happens, and more importantly, how to treat it.
Lately, I've noticed the water's turned a bit green and there's some algae on the walls. I'm not sure what's causing it.
Algae is a common issue, but don't worry, we have a plan for you. To get your pool back to sparkling, the key is following a regular maintenance routine with HTH products. Step 1, test and balance your water using HTH 6-way test strips.
Got it. So by testing and balancing weekly, I can keep the algae away?
Exactly.
Great.
The next step is to sanitize your pool weekly with one of our HTH chlorine products. And remember to shock your pool weekly with Cal Hypo.
That's great to know. Is there anything else I should do to prevent algae?
Yes, you're going to want to add an algaecide to ensure algae-free swimming. It's a great preventive measure that works alongside your weekly maintenance routine. Other factors that can contribute to algae include not running the pump long enough, dirty filters, and poor housekeeping, like not brushing or vacuuming regularly.
I need to stay on top of my filter cleaning too.
Absolutely, and be sure to confirm the type of algae before you start treating it. Green algae is free-floating or it clings to the walls, causing green, murky water. Mustard or yellow algae, that looks like dust and brushes away easily, but then it returns. Black algae forms black spots in plaster pools and can embed itself into the pool's surface.
I didn't realize they were different types. How do I keep algae from growing in my pool?
All three of HTH's algaecide help prevent algae growth. You have HTH Algae Guard 10 is best for treating green algae and should be used weekly. HTH Algae Guard Advanced works on all algae types and should also be used weekly. HTH Algae Guard Plus Ultra provides long-lasting protection against green, yellow, and black algae with a monthly application. And for eliminating existing algae, simply follow the directions on the bottle for treating visible algae.
Sounds like algae prevention is the key.
Absolutely, it is. And to keep your pool algae-free year-round, stick to a weekly maintenance routine. Test and balance your water, sanitize with chlorine, shock weekly with Cal Hypo, and add an algaecide.
Sounds like a solid plan. With this routine, I can finally keep algae under control.
Keeping your pool algae-free is easy with HTH. Follow these simple steps and enjoy clear, safe water all season long. For more information, head to hthpools.com or designingspaces.tv.